Okay, what we're going to talk about? We're talking about French green clay. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is I have measured it out. It's a try to get a if you want to get a light green color is what you use for your soap. Apparently, you can't use your anything metal to store it to scoop it out. So basically, what I use to scoop this out is I use a wooden stick, wooden paddle pop stick, okay, ice cream stick, okay, something wooden to use it. In soap making, that's one color you can use, okay, to make green. Okay, I made one batch with this color already, so this is the color. So I use roughly 3% for the whole batch to make this color green. So 3% of the oil, okay, to get this color. So you can see that. Now, with this, you have to mix in with water as well before you actually. Some people I've seen use it directly into the oil, mix it in with the oil. I could do that as well, but I think I try to mix it with water first. Okay, mix with water. It's easy to get all the clumps out. Okay, that's the only reason why you want to do it, to get all the any clumps in the clay, and you dehydrate it. So you get more water in it. When you mix it with the oil, it can easily disperse out, okay, evenly. Okay, so French green clay, another natural color you can use in your soap. I'll see you next time with another video. I'll show you how to be creative with this French green clay. Okay.